Hi, I'm Sasha. Today I'm going to be opening my February 2020 Sephora Play box. I haven't actually looked at what's inside. I'm pretty curious because we had some pretty different options this month. So when you open it up, they've got a nice little flyer and then your reusable makeup bag. So first we have the monthly flyer. This explains what all the products are. I'm going to try not to look too closely so I can be surprised. So Sephora Play costs $10 a month. It's usually about 5 deluxe samples and 1 bonus item. So first we have the Clinique Almost Lipstick in Black Honey. This says it's a lip tint in sort of a plum shade. Let me go ahead and remove my lip gloss so I can try this out. So let's see how this looks. Definitely seems like a soft tint. It's not like a super bold lipstick. I think that looks pretty nice. I think it even kind of goes with this neutral eye look. When I look at this color in the bullet, it's almost black, which is a little bit intimidating. But when I put it on my lips, I just think it turns into a really pretty kind of plummy tint. This has a nice creamy texture and a hydrating feel, so I think I'll definitely be testing this out more. Next we have another Clinique product. This is the Blackhead Solutions 7-Day Deep Pore Cleanse and Scrub. I'm actually not sure why I got this. I don't really suffer from blackheads. I did put that I have combination skin in my skin survey. Since this is an exfoliating scrub with salicylic acid, I think it's definitely something I'm going to give away. I'm not going to open it and test it out so I can make sure to keep it sealed for the next person. Next we have the fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Moisturizer. This has a nice thick creamy texture. Just going to try a little bit out on my hand here. It has quite a nice scent to it. It's kind of like a floral or fresh scent. It doesn't feel overly perfumey. It just kind of has a nice pleasant scent to it. It also seems to be absorbing quickly. I like that's kind of thick and very hydrating, but also has a lightweight feel. I think I'll definitely be testing this out as a night moisturizer. If you've been enjoying this video, please like or consider subscribing. I post new beauty videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 10 a.m. Central, and I'd love to see you there. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be the first to watch my new videos. Next we have the Philosophy Purity Made Simple Cleanser. This says it's a 3-in-1 cleanser for face and eyes. It sounds like it's supposed to tone and hydrate, leaving your skin clean and balanced. I like how they say it's a gentle cleanser because that's exactly what I like to use in the winter. So let's check it out. Just gonna try and pour a little bit out onto my hand. I smell kind of a light floral scent to it. They say it has meadow foam seed oil and rosewood oil in it. This has a really nice kind of milky cleanser texture. It feels really gentle on my hand and almost cooling. I'm just gonna wipe it off. It seems to have a nice sort of moisturizing effect. It doesn't seem to leave my skin stripped or overly dry. I really like how small this is. I feel like it'll be a great travel size for next time I go on a trip. I'm looking forward to trying this out soon because it seems like a nice winter cleanser. Next we have the Kat Von D Lock-It Translucent Setting Powder. I love how this line is vegan and 100% cruelty-free. I do use setting powders every day for my under eye concealer. So that's kind of what it looks like. Looks like the first 2 ingredients in this are mica and talc. I'm just going to go ahead and tap a bit under my eye area to see how it looks. They say this helps keep you shine-free throughout the day. It seems to look good on my skin. It's definitely true to the name of being translucent. I think I'll add this to my bag and test it out this week. I want to see how it compares to the Lotus setting powder that I've been using recently. Last but not least, it's a bonus item for this month. This is the Verb Ghost Oil, which is a hair oil. They say that this will help minimize frizz and deliver lasting shine. I'm not going to open this one to test it out right now because it's in just a tiny little packet. I don't want to waste it just yet. It looks like the first ingredient is cyclopentasiloxane, so it probably has a very kind of silky silicone feel. I think this will be fun to test out next time I style my hair. So that's it for my Play by Sephora box this month. I hope you found this video helpful. I'd love to hear if there are any products from this box that you liked or if there's something you recommend instead. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.